Hi, my name's Colin McKay. I'm here to show you how easy it is to use Endurance Marine's new fire pump to guard your house against summer brush fires and wildfires this season. Let's take it out of the box. Endurance Marine's fire pump only weighs 80 pounds and all fits in one small box. When you open your new Endurance Marine pump, you will find a parts list on top. Within that, you will have two boxes in the main box. One is for the parts for the pump and the other one is for the pump itself. Remove the two boxes from the case. Your fire pump should include these parts: a strainer, a backflow valve, 1.5 inch 8-foot intake hose, cam lock, a fog and spray fire nozzle, 50 feet of high pressure fire hose with sexless connectors. Your pump is powered by a 6.5 horsepower overhead valve 4-cycle gas engine. It is very important before you start this engine that you remove the cap on the crankcase. After you remove this cap, make sure you put in 1 liter of 10W30 oil and replace the cap and tighten firmly. If you do not do this step, you will void the warranty on the motor and most likely burn it out upon starting it up. As a reminder, there is a caution on the handle of the engine. This is a 2-stage fire pump with a low-end draw of 60 gallons per minute to conserve your water reservoirs, with a high output of 100 psi. What you need to do before starting this pump is take heed to this warning. You need to remove this filler cap, fill the reservoir with water, and then replace it. If you do not do this, you will spin the impeller dry and void your warranty. Once this is back on, you will have a 1.5 inch port for your fire hose, and you'll have 2 accessory ports of 1 inch each. An option to give your pump greater mobility is to mount it on this cart with 8-inch pneumatic wheels. The first step in starting your new pump is to check the crankcase dipstick and make sure it is full of oil. After this is done, you can fill it with gas. You must use regular gas as an oil mixture is not necessary because it is a 4-cycle engine. When this is done, locate the intake hose. Attach it to the pump. Make sure the cam locks are securely fastened. After you've done this, take the 1.5 inch fire hose and connect it to the 1.5 inch port on the manifold. Once you have done this, make sure the filler cap is securely tightened and it is full of water. After which, locate the red switch on the front of the machine. Turn this to the on position. Now step to the side of the machine. Locate the levers to the rear of the machine. The one that shows the fuel icon you want to slide to the forward on position. The choke you now want to slide to the on position, which is the opposite way to the rear. After this is done, take the throttle and set it to the idle position. When you have done all of this, you can now pull on the handle and start the machine. Thank you for purchasing your Endurance fire pump. We hope you never have to use this product. But in the event you do, we'll give you the ability for initial response until firefighters arrive.